In a competitive market, innovation is key. Domino's, a global leader in pizza delivery, faced the challenge of enhancing their customer experience. How did they do it? With increasing competition and changing customer expectations, Domino's needed to streamline operations and improve service efficiency. They aimed to deliver not just pizza, but a top-notch experience. Syone stepped in as a strategic partner, leveraging technology to transform Domino's operations. Our mission? To optimize the entire delivery process through innovative IT solutions. By integrating advanced analytics and a cutting-edge management system, Syone helped Domino's track orders in real time, manage inventory more efficiently, and enhance communication among teams. The result? A faster, more reliable service. The impact was immediate, with improved delivery times and increased customer satisfaction ratings. Turning challenges into opportunities, Domino's solidified its position as a market leader. This transformation is just the start. Ready to enhance your business's customer experience and operational efficiency? Contact Syone today and reach a new level.